My name is Maria Ann Restica and the title of this presentation is the cell organelles house analogy. I am going to explain how the structures, objects, or people in our house similar to the functions of cell organelles. Welcome to House Cell. Cells are made up of organelles that serve a specific purpose. Think of them as structure, objects, or people in your house. First example is the exterior walls or siding of the house. Cell wall, a rigid structure that surrounds the cell membrane and provides support to the cell. Exterior walls defines the structure of a house, also known as the building envelope. It surrounds the house that keeps the interior hidden and safe. The door or the entrance of the house has the same function as the cell membrane of a cell. Cell membrane, thin, flexible barrier around a cell that regulates what enters and leaves the cell. A door is a movable barrier that controls who enters and exits the house. Now, let us go inside and see what other structures we can relate to the functions of cell organelles. We are now at the living room where we can see the interior walls. We can relate this to centrioles. Centrioles helps in cell division formation of the spindle fibers that separate the chromosome during cell division or mitosis. Interior walls encloses a space as part of the house and divides the house to its respective rooms. We can also see here the floors and columns. It has the same function as the cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton is a structure that helps cells maintain their shape and internal organization. It also provides mechanical support that enables cells to carry out essential functions like division and movement. Columns are used for reinforcement that holds the structure of the house. Floors support the loads placed on it together with its own weight. The kitchen, my favorite part of a house. Ribosomes produces proteins that are needed for cell function like repairing damage. Kitchen is where we prepare and cook food. It fuels the bodies of the family members. Pantry. Pantry has the same function as the vacuole. Stores materials such as water, salts, proteins, and carbohydrates. Pantry is a room or a section wherein we stock our food supplies. Hallway. Endoplasmic reticulum, also known as the highway system of the cell, a cell structure that forms a maze of passageways in which proteins and other materials are carried from one part of the cell to another. Hallway is a long passage where people move from one place to another, just like the endoplasmic reticulum. Electrical room, or the electric box. Mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, uses cellular respiration to break down nutrients, creates energy that powers other organelles' functions. Electrical room is where the electric power source of our house that generates the appliances. Bathroom. Lysosomes aid in cell digestion, uses chemicals to break down waste and create new building material. We use the bathroom when cleaning our body. The solid and liquid human waste is moved to a sewer or septic tank. Parents' room. Nucleus. Stores cell DNA, contains the information the cell needs to do its job. Parents' room is the room where our parents spend their night to talk or sleep. Our parents is the commander of the house. They make the rules that makes the home organized. Car. Golgi apparatus, the post office of the cell, a system of membranes that modifies and packages proteins for export by the cell. We use a car to transport or deliver something into the house and to other places, back and forth. And to wrap up this presentation, here's the tabulated results. And that is how we can relate the functions of the structures in our house to the cell organelles.